Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Austin, Texas on a project where this unique type of basement, the footer was poured all the way over to here, and then the wall was poured up to here, and then the next wall is going to be poured up to here. Usually we would like to try to do it all in one pour, but this builder wanted to do it a little bit different, but we still have to keep it from leaking. So you'll see that yellow material. That is water stop. That's in the center of the wall. It's also down at the footer. Any place where the joints are going to meet is a #1 leak point. So we want to seal it to make sure that we don't have that problem. And now it's all in place. As you can see it. And there's a material that we put down, which is called water stop treatment. We blast it, and then we put that material down in the middle. It's almost like a glue, and then we push our water stop, which is like a swell tape. We push it directly into it, so when it gets hard, it'll lock it in. Okay, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.